Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kizito and what I do is I solve coding challenges that may be asked in a technical interview. Today we're going to create the function that finds the unique numbers. And the function is given a parameter of an array that has at least like 4 ones, 2 twos, and then let's go ahead and add a string in there to make it much harder. So we'll have a string like foo in there, and then the rest will just be 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so what we need to take into account is what if the given array elements were not in order? Like instead of starting from the lowest number to the greatest number, what if it was more like 9, 8, and then 1? So how we would approach this is by first sorting out the numbers from the lowest to the greatest number. That's how we will approach it. So first, let's go ahead and create the function. We're going to call it finds unique numbers. And then inside of the function, we'll give it a parameter called AR, for short for array. All right, now inside the body, all we need to do is make array equal to the array sorted out by using the sort function. Let's first add A and the B parameter. It's followed by an arrow function and make it A minus B. So that way it will be from the lowest to the greatest number. All right, so now this array has been sorted out. The next thing we need to do is create a for loop. So for let, and we're going to make I equals 0. And then I has to be less than the length of this array. And after that, we will increment the I each time. All right, so next thing we need to do is get inside the body of the for loop and create a condition. First, we need to make sure that the elements is a number, and then if it's not, then we will remove it. So all we need to do is create an if statement that says if IR, or the element inside of the array, is equal to a type of string, which is we'll just call it the string, because that's what we're comparing. Then we are just going to take it out of the array. So all we have to do is use array, type in array dot splice, and assign it to I, because that's indexing to the element that's a string inside of the array. All right, good. Now that we got that covered, the next thing we need to do is create another if statement that is saying if this element I is equal to the next element in this array. And how we get to the next element, all we need to do is type in I plus 1. Then we're just going to remove that element that's equal to the next one by simply just typing ARR.splice, starting from 1 and the element I that we're going to remove. It even says it right here, the number of elements to remove. All right. Then after we are done with this for loop, all we need to do is jump out of the body of the for loop and return AR. Wait, I almost forgot. I need to also put type of here and make the second parameter equal to 1 for a splice. There we go. All right. Looks like everything is set, so let's go ahead and copy this function, paste it in the IDE, which is node, press enter. We're going to call the function, give it an argument of this array up here. Paste it right here, and then voila, see? Here are the unique numbers, and also the string has been removed. This string foo has been removed. That's it for today. Y'all have a good one.